At Sparq Lighting, we dig small holes for a living.
Somehow, it completely changes the house at night.
Not supposed to notice the fixture, just the feeling.
Most people don't realize how subtle good lighting can be for your home.
If you're curious what your house can look like at night, hit us up.